Electric bikes of 2025, featuring cutting-edge technology, eco-friendly designs, and impressive performance. Perfect for daily commutes or weekend adventures, these bikes offer efficiency, style, and comfort for every rider. Cyke Cheetah. The Cyke Cheetah stands out as a game-changer in the e-bike world, merging cutting-edge technology with a striking design. Built for both urban explorers and thrill-seekers, this e-bike offers exceptional speed and an impressive range, powered by its robust motor. Its lightweight, aerodynamic frame ensures a smooth, effortless ride, while features like a smart display and regenerative braking bring innovation and eco-friendliness together. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising on open trails, the Cyke Cheetah redefines what it means to ride electric. Stylish, efficient, and packed with advanced features, it's more than just transportation. It's a new way to experience mobility with freedom and flair. SCOR 6080Z. The SCOR 6080Z stands out as a premium electric mountain bike built for thrill seekers and outdoor explorers. Its carbon frame not only ensures strength and durability but also keeps the bike impressively lightweight for agile handling. Powered by the Bosch Performance Line CX motor, it provides a natural yet powerful boost to conquer steep climbs effortlessly. The 750 watt-hour battery offers an impressive range, making it ideal for extended rides. With advanced suspension and trail-ready tires, the SCOR 6080Z delivers superior grip and control, even on the most challenging terrain. Whether you're chasing adrenaline or exploring new horizons, this EMTB is engineered to elevate your off-road adventures to the next level. Eahora Romeo Pro II. The Eahora Romeo Pro II is redefining the electric biking experience. With its powerful 1000-watt motor and a top speed of 28 miles per hour, it offers the perfect blend of performance and style. Designed for comfort, the bike features a cruiser-style frame, a plush saddle, and wide handlebars, ensuring a relaxed ride. Its 60-volt, 20-ampere-hour battery delivers an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, perfect for long adventures or daily commutes. Equipped with hydraulic disc brakes and full suspension, the Romeo Pro II provides excellent control and safety on various terrains. This e-bike isn't just a ride, it's a statement, merging technology and elegance effortlessly. Walka X3 Max. The Walka X3 Max is built for riders who crave adventure and performance. Its rugged aluminum frame and oversized fat tires make tackling uneven terrain effortless. Powered by a robust 750-watt motor and a 48V battery, this e-bike offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles, perfect for long rides. With a vibrant LCD display, hydraulic disc brakes, and an adjustable front suspension, the X3 Max ensures safety and comfort on every journey. Whether you're navigating city streets or conquering mountain trails, this e-bike combines style, power, and reliability. The Walka X3 Max isn't just a bike, it's your ultimate companion for exploration and everyday commuting. TenWays CGO600 Pro. The TenWays CGO600 Pro is a modern e-bike crafted for seamless urban commuting. Weighing only 16 kilograms, it's incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for weaving through busy city streets. Its efficient rear hub motor, paired with a durable belt drive, delivers a whisper-quiet and hassle-free ride. With an impressive range of up to 100 kilometers per charge, this e-bike is ideal for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The minimalist design, built-in lights, and user-friendly controls make it a stylish yet practical choice. Whether you're a cycling enthusiast or a first-time e-bike user, the CGO600 Pro offers an effortless, eco-conscious way to move around the city. Ride smarter, not harder. Ufree Stellar Falcon. The Ufree Stellar Falcon is a revolutionary electric bike designed for comfort, speed, and convenience. Its sleek design combines modern aesthetics with functionality, making it a perfect choice for urban commuters and adventure seekers alike. Powered by a high-capacity battery, it offers impressive range and performance, ensuring smooth rides even on challenging terrains. The lightweight frame and intuitive controls make it user-friendly, while advanced features like pedal assist and an LED display add to its appeal. With its eco-friendly design, the Stellar Falcon is a sustainable alternative to traditional transportation. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, this e-bike delivers an unmatched riding experience, blending technology and practicality effortlessly. Cykee Falcon S EMTB. The Cykee Falcon S EMTB is an exceptional electric mountain bike designed for adventure enthusiasts seeking thrills on rugged trails. Equipped with a powerful motor and a robust battery, it effortlessly tackles steep hills and rough terrains, ensuring a smooth ride every time. Its lightweight aluminum frame offers durability without sacrificing agility, while the advanced suspension system absorbs shocks, making it perfect for off-road exploration. The intuitive display allows riders to easily track speed, battery life, and more. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, the Cykee Falcon S is the ultimate companion for conquering mountains and enjoying an adrenaline-packed journey through nature. Weped F1. The Weped F1 is a high-performance electric scooter that has quickly gained popularity for its impressive speed and cutting-edge design. With a top speed of around 50 miles per hour, it's perfect for thrill seekers who want an adrenaline rush while commuting or riding for fun. Equipped with dual motors, the Weped F1 offers excellent acceleration and hill climbing ability, making it ideal for diverse terrains. Its robust frame, large wheels, and advanced suspension system ensure a smooth, comfortable ride even at higher speeds. Battery life is also impressive, providing long-range performance on a single charge. Overall, the Weped F1 stands out as a powerful and stylish choice for electric scooter enthusiasts. GeForce RSST. The GeForce RSST is a high-performance, user-friendly racing simulator designed for enthusiasts looking to take their driving experience to the next level. Equipped with precision engineering, this simulator offers realistic force feedback, allowing drivers to feel every turn, bump, and brake like they're on the track. The RSST is built with durability in mind, combining sturdy materials and advanced technology for an immersive experience. It features an ergonomic design, ensuring comfort during long sessions, and its adjustable settings provide a personalized fit. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a casual gamer, the GeForce RSST is perfect for bringing the thrill of racing right into your home. HappyRun G60 Pro. The HappyRun G60 Pro is a standout device designed for those who crave both style and performance. With its sleek, modern build and cutting-edge features, it's perfect for a variety of tasks, from productivity to entertainment. The G60 Pro features a responsive touchscreen, delivering a seamless and enjoyable user experience. Powered by a strong processor and an impressive battery life, it's engineered to keep up with your daily demands. Whether you're handling multiple apps or streaming content, this gadget won't let you down. Plus, its intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to navigate. For anyone in search of a reliable, high-quality device, the HappyRun G60 Pro is a must-have. Solar Eclipse Race Edition. The Solar Eclipse Race Edition is a revolutionary concept in the world of sustainable racing technology. Combining cutting-edge solar power with sleek, aerodynamic design, this edition is engineered for speed while reducing the carbon footprint. The vehicle boasts a lightweight frame, high-efficiency solar panels, and a powerful electric motor that ensures top-notch performance. The Solar Eclipse is not just a car, it's a symbol of innovation in green energy, pushing the limits of what's possible in eco-friendly racing. With its stunning performance and commitment to sustainability, the Race Edition is paving the way for the future of racing, proving that green technology and speed can go hand in hand. Vitalin T7 Pro. The Vitalin T7 Pro is a high-performance smartwatch designed to elevate your fitness and tech experience. Featuring a sleek, modern design, this smartwatch offers advanced health monitoring, including heart rate tracking, sleep analysis, and activity tracking. Whether you're hitting the gym or going for a run, the T7 Pro keeps you connected with notifications for calls, messages, and apps right on your wrist. The long-lasting battery ensures you won't need frequent recharges, and the waterproof design allows you to wear it in all weather conditions. Compatible with both Android and iOS devices, the Vitalin T7 Pro seamlessly integrates into your daily routine, combining style and functionality in one device.